Good day, everyone. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to perform the post something useful task that is to be done weekly. This task can be found on the action page. To get to the action page, we simply click the menu icon. That's the three short horizontal lines. Click contribute. Under contribute, we'll click actions. And when we get to actions, we'll find post something useful. After we select this task by clicking it, we read the instructions carefully. And the instruction is basically telling us to post something useful in a community we're a member of that other members in that community will also be interested to. And under the instructions is a note that states the guidelines of how your posts should be. Under the notes, there's a section of the different communities that are available on Builders Hub in MEEDS.io. I'm a member of the Learn community, so I'm going to choose that. When the page is loaded, you see the post of other members, and at the topmost part, you see a place that says Start a Post. So we are going to start a post, and to do that, we are going to click Start a Post. After which, it will take us to a page where we can actually type and edit a post. And the instruction says we should post something in the community that we're a member of that other members will be related or interested to. So I'm going to post something, write a post about learning. So let's say if you fail to prepare, you prepare to fail. And then at the bottom of the page, we'll see a post button. We'll click that to post our draft. And when that is done, your you'll be automatically rewarded your points, and you can go and confirm your participation in the activities page by opening the participation, and you'll see if it has been updated. If it hasn't been updated, you can give it a couple of minutes, maybe 5 to 15 minutes. Thank you very much.